just on our way to Mount Gambier. Thought we'd stop at Wingless Speedway and check it out. It's looking pretty good. Looking forward to getting here. I have no idea how this is going to work for Wingless with gearing and stuff, but she's going to be interesting. So while we're here, we thought we may as well come and do some of the attractions. We've been to the Blue Lake and now we're playing putt-putt, but I sort of suck at this game. Mount Gambier for round 2 of the side build series. We've just done track packing and she's muddy, but it should be sweet. I think it's about 45 wingless, so we'll see how we go.
First heat, 1 and done. Started out of 2. The guy starting the pole got a jump on me, but then within a couple of laps he managed to roll around him and get the win. So yeah, pretty stoked about that.
Just finished the first round of heats. Jesse started out of 2 and got the win. I started out of 3 in my heat and fell back to 5th or something, running out of tear-offs 2 laps in. So see what the next one's bring. Second heat's done. I started out of 6, Jesse out of 7. We were running about there and I had electrical problems, started playing up again, so I let Jesse go past and I just cruised out the back, and then on the way in I blew an engine. That puts us out for the night and possibly the season, probably.
Evans from 8. Caden Vickers from 9.
happened?
I fucking lost it.
You fucking lost it, mate. There's a gap that
Didn't
wasn't
go high
there.
enough. Well, we finally made it home from Mount Gambier. It's 4:50 AM. We had a pretty good run up at Mount Gambier, but just a few stuff ups in the feature and ended up bending a front beam and some radius rods and stuff. So not the result we were looking for, but it is what it is. Over and out.
Home. Now it's time to rebuild this bastard. Time to rip the engine out and see what we can do.